Alright, next I want to teach you how to uninstall Palmpay Security Plugin. Palmpay Security Plugin. Now, the Palmpay Security Plugin is a software component that is installed on your device to provide additional security features when using the Palmpay app. It is designed to enhance security of your Palmpay transaction and protect your personal financial information. The Palmpay Security Plugin offers features such as encryption, which protects your data and transactions with encryption technology; fraud detection, to monitor your account activity for suspicious transactions; secure login, to provide an additional layer of security for logging into your Palmpay account; two-factor activation, which requires a second form of verification such as a code sent to your phone to complete transaction; malware protection, which help detect and prevent malware from compromising your device and Palmpay account; and then secure storage, for you to safely store your personal financial information. The Palmpay Security Plugin may be installed as a browser extension or a software application on your device. It is designed to work with your Palmpay app to provide an additional layer of security and protection for your transaction. Now, with all these benefits, it is not advisable to uninstall Palmpay Security Plugin. But if you do decide to do it, remember you're leaving your account vulnerable. It is not advisable. But you can contact customer care for that easily from your homepage. This is from home, so you can select, like I said, the icon with the headphone to contact the customer service, and so you can see the options over there: verify your BVN, KYC upgrade, auto log out. Then you go for, if you check and none of the questions you have are there, you can simply go for a live chat. Select live chats. It's not available for now. Let me try again. Select the live chats in the Palmpay settings, and then you type in your question. So how to uninstall, type in how to uninstall Palmpay Security Plugin. So you type that in and follow the instructions given to you. So that's how to uninstall Palmpay Security Plugin.